Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys Bluetooth setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you connect Bluetooth speaker to your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect guys Bluetooth speaker to your Vivo phone, so guys you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect Bluetooth speaker. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, you will have to guys on your phone setting. Then guys click on guys your Bluetooth and devices setting. Guys click on your Bluetooth setting and guys, first of all guys we will on our Bluetooth speaker guys. So the first button guys we will press to on it. Second guys you will have to press on guys Bluetooth. Then it will connect. And guys you can see this sound. Then guys it will on it. Then guys you can see this volume button and guys call button guys. You can pick up call. So guys we will on our Bluetooth and guys click on new device and guys refresh. So as you can see guys my speaker name guys JBL speaker. So guys I will click here. Then guys it will connect your phone after 3 and 4 seconds guys. So you can see guys this connected for calls and media. So then guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker with your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So and now we will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.